Today, our topic is how to choose customized automated equipment supplier. 5 steps to reduce procurement risks. When purchasing custom automated equipment, many companies will ask, which supplier offers the lowest price? But the real question should be, which supplier can really deliver a stable production system? Choosing the wrong supplier may lead to delivery delays, repeated modifications, extra costs, or even production failure. Today we will discuss how to evaluate customized automated equipment suppliers and how to reduce procurement risks. Many companies think that choosing a large automation equipment supplier means lower risk. A well-known enterprise, large factory, and competitive quotations usually look
manufacturing
more attractive.
process.
However, the size of the enterprise doesn't necessarily mean project success. Customized automated equipment is not a standard product. Each project requires different product requirements, manufacturing processes, production goals, and automation solutions. The final result depends on the supplier's engineering, manufacturing capabilities, and project management capabilities. The first step is to establish a supplier shortlist. The first step is not to choose a supplier. The first step is to establish a supplier list. Enterprises can find potential suppliers. Industry exhibitions, recommendations from industry insiders. Industry exhibitions are valuable because it can help buyers quickly understand different suppliers. But attending the exhibition does not guarantee project success. Large suppliers may have stronger resources, but they may also focus more on customers and strategic projects. A small supplier in a certain industry, with deep experience, may sometimes be more suitable for your project. The key is not the size of the company. The key is whether the supplier meets your project requirements. The second step is to verify the supplier's true ability. After establishing a list of potential suppliers, is to verify the supplier's website can tell you the information they want customers to see. Purchasing decisions require real evidence. Important evaluation areas include first, industry experience, whether they have completed similar projects, whether they understand your production process. Second, engineering capabilities. Customized automated equipment requires multiple mechanical design, electrical program development, POC, and automation integration. Manufacturing capabilities have a real production environment, assembling area, debugging area, quality processes, and an experienced technical team. The third step is to conduct a factory audit. One of the most important steps in supplier evaluation is factory audit, because the real factory situation can provide more information than the enterprise. During the factory visit, the buyer should check the actual staff situation, production capacity, current project manufacturing and management process. Factory audits can help the buyer to understand whether the supplier has the resources and systems required for the project. The fourth step is to verify through actual projects. Even if the supplier assessment is completed, actual cooperation is still the best test method. For new suppliers, enterprises should consider starting with small projects, such as single machine equipment automation, tools, furniture, and small automated units. This allows both parties to evaluate communication skills, engineering responsibility, problem-solving ability, and delivery performance. The actual project results are always more valuable than. The core summary is that choosing custom automated equipment, choosing a supplier is not just a purchasing decision, but also a risk management process. The right supplier is not necessarily the largest company, the company with the lowest or the best marketing company. The right supplier is one who can understand your needs, manage project risks, and deliver stable production results. A successful automation project starts with choosing the right supplier. If you have participated in the custom automated equipment, what challenges have you encountered in the process of? What are the biggest challenges? Welcome to share your experience. Let's discuss how manufacturing to reduce equipment procurement risks.